I have secrets. I have secrets no one ever told you about, right? I'm laughing because I'm actually a victim. That's why most I don't talk about it, because it's even difficult for me to talk about, like, secrets no one ever told you about, right? Even though it's straight to the point, he communicates the book idea, but it's quite long. Many people don't remember. Even myself, I still forget. So please don't be like me. Your book title should be brief, should be concise, easy to remember. Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are continuing with this series on our book writing series. We've done 2 parts already. This is the 3rd part of this video. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you've obviously missed a lot. So please check my channel and catch up with the remaining videos. Thank you. So far, we've talked about getting your book idea, writing it down, getting a book editor, self-editing it, getting feedbacks, getting reviews, and all. On this video, I'll be teaching us how to get book titles, how to get our book titles. Now, you see, getting a book title is sometimes it's hard. It's among the hardest things to do. It's more difficult than the main book idea, and sometimes it's the simplest. For me, my book titles is the easiest. Do one book project stressed me. It was literally the last thing I got after brainstorming. I asked AI, I asked my friend, I asked people. I did all before I finally got. That was their creative. That getting that book title really stressed me. The title and subtitle. So getting book titles can be hard. It can be difficult. Now, there are several ways to get book titles. For certain kind of people, they get their titles maybe while sleeping, while walking on the road, while reading a post, why, like, the title will just come. Many people get the book title before getting the main idea. So if you're in this class, congratulations, more grace. Now, for people that finish writing their book and then they are struggling on how to get a good title, because it's one thing to have a book title, it's another thing to get a good title. I've lost count of the number of times I've had to change titles for my clients because they bring vague titles that is just out of context. Most time the title does not even make sense. It's not related to the book itself. So 5 things to consider before choosing a book title, like 5 things to consider when choosing a book title. Number 1, very important, your title must complement your book idea. It must complement the content in your book. Don't write something else in your title, and when somebody's reading your book the person is wondering what is happening, if they made a mistake or something. Your book title must complement your book. Number 2, your book title should be brief and concise. To be brief and concise. Don't go and give us very long title that is even hard to pronounce. We're getting to that. To be brief and concise. At most 5 words. At most 5 words. If it goes beyond 5 words, please, there's no need for a subtitle. Just keep it to yourself. But if you can, 3 minutes, 5 words are enough. Number 3, it should be easy to pronounce. People should see your book and at one glance be able to pick what the title is. They should not bite their tongue trying to pronounce the title of your book. It doesn't make sense. You're not trying to impress anybody. This is not Clifford. You're not trying to impress anybody. It's not Gregory University. Your book title should be easy to pronounce, and it should be memorable. It should be easy to remember. It's more reason for it to be short, brief, and concise. And your title is very long, people will tend to forget it. Do not stick. I have the broken balance. I have the incense. I have their creative. I have secrets. I have secrets no one ever told you about, right? I'm laughing because I'm actually a victim. That's why most I don't talk about it, because it's even difficult for me to talk about, like, secrets no one ever told you about, right? Even though it's straight to the point, he communicates the book idea, but it's quite long. Many people don't remember. Even myself, I still forget. So please don't be like me. Your book title should be brief, should be concise, easy to remember. The last one is that your book title should be able to compel people to get a copy. there's this propelling force that comes with certain book titles, just like secrets every book editor should know. We have psychology of money, psychology of laziness, school of money. It should be something that should propel people. Say, wow, I need to get this book. It should not just, it should be able to pull interest. It should be able to draw people to know what you actually wrote, why you wrote what you wrote. And these are 5 things to consider when picking a book title. Now, you've gotten those criteria, you've written it down, but then you've not still gotten a title for your book. Now, if it's fiction that you're writing, you can easily get a title from your book. Maybe you could title your book the main character of the book. You have Adoma, Chike. Like, the main character of your book could be the title. Now, story of pain, regret, and victory. That could be the subtitle. Now, that is to give people a picture of what actually happened. And you could also get maybe a phrase, a line that strikes a chord. You can get something from there and modify it to serve as a book title. Maybe a contest in the book. Yeah, the main lesson of your book, the central message of your book could be a book title. The central message, the main character, or a particular contest. Let me use movies as an instance. When you have Abattoir. Abattoir is a movie. When you hear Abattoir, what comes to your mind is a slaughterhouse. And that movie really is more like a slaughterhouse. We have Copper's Lodge. That is, the movie is centered to dedicated to coppers. We have the jailer. When you watch the jailer, you know that it's about a lady that always locks up people in prison and their hearts, not even a physical prison. So, does that make sense to you? Now, if it's non-fiction, you could do the same thing. The central message of your book should be the bedrock of your book title. This is one thing that has helped me to guide my authors in changing their book title, because when I see what they're trying to communicate, I know, yes, this is good, no, this is not good. So this is very simple. If at this point you've still not gotten satisfactory direction to get your book title, brainstorm, ask your friends. If you want to read a book like this, maybe I'm writing a book on this, what kind of title do you think will sell better? What title? And we have ChatGPT. You can ask AI for like 20 book titles on the context of the book you're writing. They will suggest. Many times you will not get anyone, because I've tried it 3 times, I did not get. But many people get book titles from ChatGPT. So you can maybe if they suggest 20 for you, pick 2 or 3 to work it, blend it, and you've gotten a book title. And I think that is all on getting titles for your book. If at this point you still have questions, feel free to ask. I'll be in the comment section. Thank you so much.